They didn't charge for the labor today.
You use Freeman BMW coupon code? Alright, what's up guys? कैसे हो? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. In a couple of my previous videos I've been talking about this Wow skin products, but till now I did not showcase it because I wanted to first try it on my face, and if it's really worth it, I thought I'll make a video about it. And that is the reason I'm making the video right now, because it's definitely showing results. There will be visible improvement in the way your skin looks. Oh yes, you need to use all these three products for the routine. First is the face wash. All these have activated charcoal in them. The beauty of activated charcoal is that it absorbs all the pollutants, all the dirt from your skin's pores. First is the face wash. As you can see, it comes with a silicone brush which is very gentle on your face. You see this? That's the foam, and you give it a good scrub. The activated charcoal in it, it's gonna pull away all the pollutants. So the second wala product is the face scrub. Once again, activated charcoal face scrub. By scrubbing, you can remove all the dead cells. And more importantly, I have this problem of blackheads. I mean, everyone has that. If you really see me closely, there are a lot of blackheads on, especially on my nose. This one helps me with that. So wash it off. Can you already see the freshness on my face? Last product you need to use is the peel off. Same thing, once again, activated charcoal. Never seen someone like this, right? Okay, leave it for 10 or 15 minutes and then you can peel it off like Fevicol. And when you peel it off, you're not just peeling off this layer. Along with it, you detoxify your skin. You're gonna remove any blackheads that are deep within. So I leave it for 10 or 15 minutes, come back and say 15 minutes later. So it looks like it's dried up properly. Remove all the blackheads, all the dirt, junk with this nice activated charcoal peel off face mask. Do you see the glow? Do you see it? Definitely there, right? When I started this video, it was not like this. For people like you who have sensitive skin, you can use this face mask. It has all the benefits that the peel off face mask has. All the products from Wow Science are truly made in India. All the ingredients are plant-based ingredients. And Wow Skin Science has recently launched an app. Super easy to use. You have app-specific offers, so there'll be a link in the description to download the app. And the best thing about Wow Science is that everything is natural ingredients. It's a Himalayan born product. Most of their ingredients are sourced from all across India, and the most important thing, Wow Skin Science products are all chemical free. They have a strict policy against usage of parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, all this unwanted stuff. They have zero tolerance policy when it comes to animal testing and cruelty. All their dabbas boxes are properly recycled material. Wow Skin Science came up with this QR code on their boxes. What you can do is open any QR scanner on your phone, scan the QR code, and it will tell you if the product is genuine or not. Not just knowing the authenticity of the product, but you can accumulate these points for every scan and redeem these on your next purchase. So all the links will be in the description in case you're interested in all this product. Definitely give it a try, nothing wrong in doing so, and you will definitely see the difference in your face. Don't you see it? Don't you see how clean and fresh I'm looking right now compared to how I started the video, right? Chalo, I'll not say it again, but I have to say it. Let me start working out, and we have quite some problems today to talk about. Weather report, sky looks amazing. Once again, new day, new time lapse makes sense. As you guys know, I am a fanboy, like a proper hardcore fanboy of Apple products, but every once in a while, these products give me pain. This is my 2018 MacBook Pro, though I bought it in 2019. Just check this out, yaar. It really feels so embarrassing to even showcase this on the video. Alright, this is my laptop. Looks all nice and fine, perfect, but you see the way it is moving when I'm pressing it in one of the corners? That is because a cheap China product jaisa, the battery started expanding. Shit, Apple, like seriously? We pay 2.5 lakhs of our hard-earned money and this expands like a cheap Chinese product. From here, visibly, I don't see any dent or anything like that, no expansion, but warranty bhi ho gaya abhi. That is the main issue now. I don't know how much are they gonna charge. But thing is, this is not my issue. I mean, what will I physically do to it so that it expands? It happened on its own. If Apple replaces the battery for free, that will be amazing. Let's see. I'm gonna take it to the Apple store right now. But I'm also excited because we have a great news, a very good news to share with you guys. More about that once we go into the vlog. I mean, this is like really irritating here. In case they ask me to leave the laptop with them, then that's gonna be a problem because how do I edit? Why Apple? Why can't you stay slim. You're overeating, and that is the reason you become fat like that. Let's see what Apple is gonna say about this. Great. I need to keep forgetting something, right? I forgot my phone. Literally my phone. Seriously, how did I forget my phone? That is one thing I'd never forget. Mummy, na phone. Did my watch connect? Yes, my phone is somewhere here. Let me ring it actually with my watch. That is one nice feature of the Apple Watch. You can ping your phone and find it, and vice versa. But why am I even praising the Apple now? It's giving me trouble. ये देख पूरा रोड को ख़त्म किया. They're doing some crazy construction here. Everything is blocked. But that is for a good thing because they're gonna soon open this under bridge and we can avoid all this chota gullies. I don't know when is that gonna happen. Already 7 years हो गया अभी. Pura plan flop. It seems you need to have an appointment, otherwise you can't go into the Apple service center. What restrictions are, seriously. And I have to make an online appointment. Online appointment though, it's not empty at all, but it's pretty easy to do it. All seamless as usual, like Apple. Why am I even supporting Apple right now? For the place I came, Aditya Trade Center, that huge building, which doesn't have an appointment till next week. Chalo, I'm going to the BMW showroom right now. Charan is there. He's doing something to his bike. He's getting new brake pads or something. Let's go. BMW Motorrad. I mean, I know the route and all that, but I prefer using the GPS because it gives you the fastest route possible. It shows you the traffic and all that situation, right? Makes more sense. Why not use technology when you have it? Gear में तो डालो सीमान भाई. You know what? My relationship with Apple is like having a very bad girlfriend whom you really love, but then she keeps giving you a lot of trouble and you end up talking to her, you end up being with her. It's very expensive to maintain, but then you love that so much that you need to be with it. Charan, is this the first time you're driving my car?
Diesel car.
Hey, bro,
diesel car. So many vibrations in the car. Tear them first.
So Charan, what all did you do? What OCD kicked in today?
No, I wanted to learn how to fit brake pads. So he gave me tutorial and also the measurements of all the tools required. They have unique tools, 12mm tools.
OCD. Oh, by the way, I told you before that brake pads of a BMW 850 GS is the most expensive ever.
Yes.
22,000 rupees for brake pads.
Now the bill is.
Now, because he got these EBC brake pads instead of the stock BMW brake pads, it costed him 8,500
including taxes, and they fit.
But do they brake properly? That's a big question. We need to check that. No, previously I used EBC on my Benelli 600i. Okay. I hated them. But Suju put EBC on his Africa Twin. He says it's nice. And it is nice actually.
Africa Twin ki brake le undo. Air bete na jaar. Andukane vaadi EBC happy untaru. Anyway,
EBC is like actually an improvement over the Activa. And stupid fellow didn't tell me that we need to take an appointment for Apple Service Center. 2-3 days he's talking to me regarding this. I'm telling him all the issues what I'm having with the MacBook. And then when I called him and checked with him, then he says, "Arey, I forgot to tell you have to take the appointment."
Arey, I realized
if you told me before, I would do that.
I realized that and forgot about it.
And recently he got his phone changed.
Pura changed, display changed, battery changed. New iPhone 10. If anyone needs 50,000 rupees, let me know.
What someone told me is, I'm not sure if it is correct, but they told me it's gonna be 40 to 50,000 rupees for Apple MacBook Pro.
Kotta laptop vastadara Windows ni.
Windows ka to, yeah, you'll get a brand new laptop. But what to do? I just told them that having an Apple is like having a bad girlfriend who makes you spend a lot but you still love her.
And it
my
will-
relationship with Apple.
And it will leave you too. Time आ गया तो.
It will leave you too. Wallet इतना हो जाएगा.
Is this a common issue on your version of Macs?
No idea, but not common issue, but it is there.
Forums
like
पे है?
forums पे, like you type anything in Google, it'll be there. Charan, I want you to do something. We need to give some good news to our subscribers.
Which subscriber?
हमारे subscribers को एक
हाँ.
good news देना है. Just wait for it. Okay, I'll show you. We need to buy something.
Today, now is too late.
Why?
Morning they usually sell.
No, Ray. Now also you get somewhere. Need to buy something. I'll tell you. Just hang on. I'm still searching for it. The good news.
Isn't this the second time?
Yeah, it is the second time. But still, it's good. It feels good. Still searching. Not able to find.
Next only. చెప్తే అన్ని చెప్పేస్తాండి.
This is the most beautiful Starbucks I've ever seen. I've been around Hong Kong, Bangkok, Malaysia and a couple of places, but this is the best Starbucks I've ever seen. And we have a subscriber here. Chaitanya, do you think this is the best Starbucks in terms of looks, ambience?
I don't know, this is the only Starbucks I've been to.
Is it?
Yeah.
Chalo, jaldi, my camera is not weatherproof. Oh, today Charan is gonna take revenge. Tiguan.
మా కార్లో ఏముంటారా టార్క్ డీజిల్ లో ఈ రోజు తొక్కితే రేపు వస్తే పవర్.
నువ్వేంటి
అరే మాకు ఆటోమేటిక్ సీట్ బెల్ట్స్ రావా?
దీంట్లో
అది ఏ కార్లో ఉంటుంది ఒకసారి చెప్పురా నాకు.
రోల్స్ రాయ్స్. ఓకే చరణ్ రెడీ టు టేక్ ది రివెంజ్. వైపర్ ఆన్ చేయ ఫస్ట్.
ఆటోమేటిక్ కదా?
కాదు. దిస్ ఆల్ ప్రిమిటివ్ టెక్నాలజీ, డీజిల్ టర్బో చార్జర్.
ఏదమ్మా టార్క్ ఏదమ్మా?
ఛీ, నా వర్ణాలో ఉన్నంత కూడా లేదంట్రా.
వీడు రివెంజ్ తీసుకుంటుంది నా డ్రైవింగ్ మీద కాదురా.
కార్ మీద.
7.5 రేటింగ్ ఇచ్చినందుకు వాడు బాగా ఫీల్ అయ్యింది నాకు తెలుసు. స్కూల్లో గుర్తుందా 1 మార్క్ పోతే ఇట్లా లెక్చరర్ కి వెళ్ళేసి
బ్రేకులు బాగున్నాయి.
ఆగిపోయే బండికి బ్రేక్లు ఎందుకురా? ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ది మీమ్. నేమ్ ఇస్ శివ ట్రయంఫ్. వి వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు శివ XYZ.
ట్రయంఫ్ పక్కన పెట్టండి రా. కామాలు పెట్టుకుంటుండండి. దట్ హ్యాస్ మోర్ వాల్యూ. ఒక డిగ్రీ తీసేసి ఇంకో డిగ్రీ పెట్టడం ఎందుకు?
అది అండ్ యువర్ గుడ్ నేమ్ అయ్యర్ వేణుగోపాల అయ్యర్ ముత్తుస్వామి వేణుగోపాల అయ్యర్
Once again back to the BMW showroom. ఎన్నిసార్లు వస్తాం ఈ షోరూమ్కి? వస్తా ఇట్స్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్.
గుడ్ బ్యాడ్ అగ్లీ రేటింగ్.
ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్స్ నాట్ గివింగ్ దట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
This is a nice setup. This is the charger. Simply need to plug it in the wall and this goes into the charger. And that's charging the battery. You don't need the jumper cable to charge your battery. Look at this. Charan nowadays needs to charge everything. His bike is also charging. 94.
Instead of wall you can plug it into his car.
He also got this bash plate. I don't know why does he need a bash plate, but Charan, you need to get this as well. Headlight guard. Glass is better. See, if you have grill, you'll have a lot of dirt inside after the ride. It'll be tough to clean it because you have the stone chippings coming from other bikes. Samne ka, it's better you have a glass. Otherwise, you'll get small chippings on this.
ఎగ్జాస్ట్ మీద కూడా
So, Charan, how much did you get your bill?
8,500 for the battery and 2,000 for some fitments for the back
Labor
plate.
charges. Eh?
No, fitments. They didn't charge for the labor today.
Why? You use Freeman BMW coupon code? Yeah, cheap. Oh, there's one bill, sorry.
This
Oh,
is for
there's one more
the
bill. This is secret.
this is for the mounting kit for the bash plate.
Mounting kit itself is 3,000. 2027 for bash plate mounting kit is seen. And bash plate is separate.
Bash plate was 8,500 or something.
Chaitanya, your BMW is fleecing people like this. Bash plate is 2,000. Just the mounting kit, not the bash plate.
First of all, shouldn't get bash plate. వాడికి ఏదో దూల ఉండి కొన్నాడు, అదే దూలతో ఇది కూడా కట్టేసి అయిపోతుంది మౌంటైన్ కిట్.
కట్టేసాడు నీ పెయిడ్ నో
ఈ పెయిడ్ నో.
నీ బండి
అరే చాలా చీప్ రా, 2K + 9K 11K for bash plate. My SRB Motec one was 23 or something.
and that is not nice. You didn't like it, right?
It's nice but it's very off-road.
You should have sold it to this guy.
He said he doesn't want it, no?
Charan wants only BMW OCD.
మంచి వైట్ నాయిస్.
చరణ్ గారు లేక బండి బయటకు తీసాడు, ఫుల్ వర్షం పడుతుంది. అండ్ ఇంకోటి బికాస్ చైతన్య కేమ్ అవుట్, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వర్షం ఇస్ ఫాలింగ్.
అరే నిన్న కూడా వచ్చిన, ఈ రోజు వస్తున్నా.
అవును, మధ్య ఎట్లా వస్తున్నావు? హౌ ఆర్ యు కమింగ్ అవుట్ చైతన్య?
నువ్వు మా ఏరియాకి వచ్చినావు కదరా ఇప్పుడు.
నేను మా ఏరియాలోనే ఉంటున్నాయి మధ్య. మా ఏరియాలో ఓన్లీ తినడానికి పడుకోవడానికి పోతున్నా.
ఫస్ట్ హాయ్ సుజ్జు.
Hi
How are you
Suju.
సుజ్జు?
What is this Suju? We are all missing you Suju.
అవ్వదు ఇప్పుడు.
What yeah. Hey, వస్తుంది కదా అది. He doesn't know how to use his own car. What Chaitanya? At least get into your car. I know you're not riding a bike. At least go into your car once in a while. Learn some of these buttons.
ఇప్పుడు డ్రైవర్ లేరుగా నేర్చుకోవాలి.
Today there was a bad news. I forgot to tell you.
What's the bad news?
I had to take my MacBook Pro for repair.
ఏమైంది?
It's bent because of the battery bulging.
అది కాదురా, మసిల్స్ ఎక్కువైపోయినాయి.
That's what I'm saying. It's eating too much and it's bulking up so much. Hey, BMW goodies. What are these?
bash plate కావాలా?
We tried almost like entire Banjara Jubilee Hills. We couldn't find a newspaper
Chaitanya,
shop.
in
We
your-
understood that newspapers are scarce. Technology has improved so much. It's everything is digital now. We couldn't find a basic newspaper.
Can you?
Okay, time is 8:40. I'm returning home and finally I got what I needed. One of our subscribers, Mr. Sai Kiran, helped me with this. He found it. He found 2 copies in fact. I'm waiting here. He'll be getting it here. But I'll be showing it to you after I go back home. There he is with what we need. Finally.
What's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great.
అరే పొద్దున్న నుంచి ఎత్తుతున్నారు దాన్ని. Finally got it now. I'll go home and show you what it is all about. Thank you, Sai Kiran. Thank you so much. Yes, all good. So this is the thing. Actually, I shouldn't be making a big deal out of this. But you know, not every time, not every day this happens. I'm on the news. There's a paper called Telangana Today. This is one of the largest circulated newspaper in Telangana, and when this happens, obviously it is worth showing you guys, because all this is possible definitely because of your love. Feels really good. This time I'm gonna keep it safe, because you know previously I was featured in Deccan Chronicle and I don't find that paper now. If anyone has that copy, please send me. It was published in 2017 Jan 7th if I'm not wrong. No, Jan 4th or 7th, I'm not sure. I have a digital copy, or else you can type Sriman Kotaru Deccan Chronicle. You'll get the digital copy. If you have that exact date ka newspaper, please send that copy to me. So chalo, I'll end this video here. I hope you liked the video. Do hit the like button. That's how you show me some appreciation for all the work I do. And do subscribe. Do I need to keep telling you to do that? If you're not subscribed, check the red button and make it grey. See you guys in the next vlog. Take care.